Hey, what's up, man?
What do you do, Oz?
Guys, don't freak out or anything. Karmann's missing.
What?
What?
Were you being
Okay, so I'm not trying to out anyone or be a snitch, but about a week ago, between us, don't tell anyone, I was minding my business outside the restroom waiting, and Anthony, he walked out, and I know he did not wash his hands. I could just sense it, you know? And then, about a week ago, before that, everyone was just getting donuts and enjoying breakfast, but you know, I was still minding my business, like not even looking for it. And I saw him pick up a donut, and he took a bite out of it and then put it back and looked around. I was the only one that saw, but I promise I'm telling the truth. Just don't tell anyone I said that.
So someone said you did it. Is that true?
No.
Who did it? Who do you think did it?
Angela.
Why Angela?
He's quiet, probably has skeletons in his closet, and he's just weird.
She's gone! I don't know where she is. I don't know where she could be. Did somebody take her?
What are y'all doing?
Well, why are you guys over here freaking out? We're over making posters.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was just checking. Checking.
Ethan.
So we have a few safety reminders. Wear your glasses at all times.
What do you want?
Please know where all the fire extinguishers are. Please wear the proper welding gear.
So why am I here?
How do you feel about Karmann being missing?
Karmann's missing? That's crazy.
Were you close to her at all?
Yeah, we were actually very, very close. I went out to eat with her yesterday.
Tyrell, mind taking out the trash for me?
Yeah, sure. What?
My brother was Minecraft. It was $5.
you.